If your phone suddenly went out of signal mid-January 2026, you weren't alone, and now we know why that happened. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Millions of Verizon customers across major cities like New York and Washington were hit by a massive wireless outage that knocked out calls, texts, and data without warning. As service vanished, Verizon told users to use landlines to reach emergency services. But this is in 2000s. Plenty of users no longer have landline, and some even said 911 calls wouldn't go through. Users were cut off from doctors, GPS navigation, and basic communication, and with no immediate explanation from Verizon, users exploded online, wondering if it was a cyber attack. The fear wasn't far off because the region has seen similar attacks before, including a 2025 incident in Wisconsin that shut down cell comm service for a week, but Verizon eventually denied any hacking. The company said the main culprit was a software issue, not an attack. Verizon has been tight-lipped about the details, but analysts suggested a botched feature update may have triggered the collapse. Verizon says it's conducting a full internal review. The outage drew political attention too. New York State Assembly member Anil Beetham Jr. urged the FCC to investigate and called it a significant and unacceptable impact on public safety. Affected customers were offered a $20 account credit by Verizon, which is redeemable through the MyVerizon app, and the notifications have already gone out. Verizon also admitted that it didn't meet the standard of excellence customers expect. So basically, there was no data breach, no cyber war, but it reminded us how fragile our always connected lives really are. When the bars disappear, so does our entire communication. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Verizon's network is facing a major outage, leaving tens of thousands of customers without reliable calls or wireless data. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your place for all the tech news. Users in America were seeing SOS instead of signal bars, and even Verizon's own status page struggled under the flood of traffic. While text messaging continues for some, calls and mobile internet were near to zero. Reports started around 12 p.m. ET on Down Detector, peaking at over 181,000 reports, which is much higher as compared to AT&T or T-Mobile, who are usually under the affected area. The hardest hit areas are major cities on the East Coast, including Boston, New York, and Washington. And it's not stopping with growing hotspots in Chicago, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. Verizon acknowledged the problem on X, saying its engineers are working to identify and solve the issue quickly and apologizing for the inconvenience. Despite updates throughout the afternoon, the company has not provided a timeline for a full recovery or details on the root cause. Even in evening, intermittent service hasn't returned for some users, but thousands were still experiencing connectivity problems. Down Detector continued to report over 46,000 active issues at almost 6 p.m. ET, and the situation remained largely unresolved by 6:20 p.m. ET. But the last update from Verizon was received at 4:12 p.m. ET. Meanwhile, T-Mobile and AT&T confirmed their networks are operating normally. The outage marks one of Verizon's longest bump in recent memory. Users are left waiting for a full fix, while the company works behind the scenes to restore reliable service. This outage is enough to make us realize just how dependent millions are on Verizon's infrastructure, and how quickly it can all go down across the country when problems arise. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Google Pixel users, get ready because your phone might just feel brand new very soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for tech news. A mysterious November update is reportedly on the way, which offers fixes, performance boosts, and battery improvements that can make your device run smoother than ever. While Google hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, Verizon accidentally spilled the beans before quickly taking the post down, but thankfully, Droid Life caught it in time. This update isn't picky, and it'll cover every pixel, from the 7A onward, and it's aimed at charging, battery life, and overall stability. Some annoying bugs are getting out, including issues that could block apps from loading or make webcam mode misbehave when connected to other devices. Even older Pixel models aren't being left behind. They'll get improved system stability and stop performance slowdowns that frustrated some users. Camera lovers might get a sweet bonus too. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 series are set to finally see a fix for the weird rainbowy colors that sometimes appear on ultra-wide and telephoto shots. No flashy new features here yet, but smoother performance and reliable cameras are exactly what every Pixel owner wants right now. And don't worry, there could still be surprises coming your way. Rumors hint to an upcoming Pixel feature drop with new theme packs, customization tools, and other goodies that could spice up your phone's look. Until Google makes it official, take this update lightly. But if Verizon's leaked changelog is right, your Pixel is about to get a serious glow up. It's the refresh your Pixel's been waiting for. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Best international phone plans in 2024. If you're planning to go on an international trip or vacation along with family or friends, then you should have the best smartphones as your travel partner, so you can at least contact and browse the web even when you're out of your country. There are various plans depending over your country and your requirements, like how long are you traveling, etc. These plans would provide you the best travel-related plans, which wouldn't even be busting on your budget. So here are a few top international phones along with its plans that would surely be the first choice for all the international travelers. T-Mobile Go 5G Plus plan. T-Mobile has recently shared its best plans that provide immense benefits to all travelers. You can subscribe to unlimited data for just $90 and get a Go 5G Plus plan to receive multiple benefits, such as 15 GB data while traveling to specific countries like Canada and Mexico. Enjoy Wi-Fi and SMS during any flight whenever the internet is available. Additionally, the best thing is that you can get free data in approximately 215 countries. The initial 5 GB data will be used at high speed, only if 5 GB support is available, and use high-speed data in almost 11 European countries too. Verizon. Verizon smartphones are available to use worldwide. Especially the latest versions are substantially the most outstanding phones for the travelers. Also, it provides an inexpensive offering that would allow the users to take on all the travel benefits. Additionally, its plan would be the best, as Verizon has promised the user to offer full international connectivity. This would allow you to use talk and text for almost free and receive 10 GB of high-speed data each month in several countries. Especially if you're a frequent traveler, then you should get subscribed to this unlimited plus $80 per month for one line and unlimited welcome, which is for $65 per month. Verizon is probably the best one to offer a family plans mix and match lines so that an individual can receive unlimited ultimate. However, the other users can avail the cheaper options. AT&T. AT&T has introduced multiple international pricing that's completely dependent upon the location of your trip. Multiple places such as Canada as well as Mexico are already included in several top AT&T plans. However, users can easily utilize the South American and Central American countries plans as well. You can get subscribed to AT&T's most expensive unlimited premium plan that offers the best benefits to all the travelers in just $85.99 per month.